Look what we have here on Container Talk, guys. It's my laptop that I'll be upgrading to a 1 terabyte hard drive. Guys, this is my laptop here. So before starting these kind of things, you're gonna wanna make sure that everything's turned off and powered off. Unscrew it all, put it on the paper towel, and then proceed to the next. Guys, I have to add, this is the very first time I've ever done this. Look at those two fans. They are absolutely horrendous. But yeah, I'm guessing this thing here is not what I need, but this, where I'm pointing, that's exactly what I need. All right, so moving forward, guys, so what we're gonna do is get this detail brush and just lightly get rid of all the brush. All the dust, sorry, not the brush. And just gently, just gently. I know you're noticing in the background there's a Start Your Bastard can. That's not for this. That's just for aesthetics. So you can click on my video and give it a like. But yeah, just give it a nice little light blow. Nothing too major. Once again, guys, if you do use this can, you won't be starting anything. Let me tell you that. But if you want to use something for electricals, you're better off using something like a contact spray. That's perfect. All right, guys, moving on to the chip. This is what it looks like. It's only one screw holding it down. You got to be ever so slightly and put it in nicely. You don't want to break anything. Just be gentle. Be gentle. Like the Happy Gilmore movie, just tap it in. Tap, tap, tappy. See, guys, this was quite straightforward. No alcohol needed, but yeah, you just pop everything back on, flip it around, and yeah, go from there. And just like that, everybody, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as it helps my channel grow.